Animal haircut videos are secretly taking over TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and some creators are pulling in millions of views per post. There's one thing that makes this niche insanely addictive. People can't stop watching till the final reveal. They need to see how the animal looks after the haircut. And the crazy part? This niche is still wide open, barely saturated, meaning you can jump in right now and start going viral. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create these viral animal haircut videos using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. So make sure you watch till the end, because missing just one step could ruin your results. Now let's get started. The first step is generating your image prompts and video prompt. This is where everything starts. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description. Inside, you'll find a ready-to-use template prompt designed specifically for this viral animal haircut niche. Copy that prompt, then go to your favorite AI text tool. In this video, we're using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and hit enter. Within seconds, the AI will generate a list of animals and haircut styles. You can either pick one from the list or type in your own custom idea. Once you do that, hit enter again. And just like that, the AI will generate two powerful image prompts, one for the messy before look and one for the clean after haircut. It will also generate a video prompt you can use to animate the transformation into a viral style video. Now that your prompts are ready, it's time to generate high-quality images that will make your videos go viral. For this tutorial, we'll be using Flow AI. Start by heading over to Flow AI and click on Create with Flow, then log in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on New Project to open the image generation interface. Before you generate anything, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, portrait mode. This is extremely important if you want your content to perform well on Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Next, choose the number of image variations you want to generate. More variations give you better chances of getting a viral quality result. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy your first image prompt and paste it directly into the prompt box in Flow AI. Hit Generate, and within seconds, you'll get ultra-detailed, high-quality images. Carefully review each result and pick the one that looks the most realistic and cinematic and download it to your device. Then repeat the exact same process using your second image prompt to generate the after haircut image. The final step is turning your AI images into a viral video. Head back to Flow AI and switch to the video generation section. Upload your before image as frame 1 and your after image as frame 2. This creates a smooth, eye-catching transformation effect that keeps viewers watching till the end. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy your video prompt. Then return to Flow AI and paste it directly into the prompt box. Once everything is set, click Generate. And within seconds, Flow AI will create a high-quality, ultra-realistic cinematic video from your images. Preview your result. You can see the smooth motion and realistic transformation. This is what makes these videos go viral on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. If it looks good, download the video to your device. Check out another video I created using this exact method. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section.